Product rule with positive exponents, multivariate. You're going to get a problem that kind of looks, this might look intimidating, but it's really not that bad at all. So what we need to do is we need to first rearrange it. So that way, one, nothing is forgotten, and we make sure that we have everything properly together. So on that note, what I'm going to do is I'm going to point out that we've got these big numbers here. Big whole numbers. So we've got 5, we've got 2, and we've got this other 2. So we're going to write those first. So 5 times 2 times 2. Okay. And then let's look at the next item we have here. We've got a v here. So I'm going to put v to the 5th times, and I'm going to look, that's an x, so that's not good. That's an x. Oh, look, we have one more v. So we're going to write that down. Okay. And lastly, we've got x to the 9th. So I'm going to group that here, x to the 9th times x to the 3rd. Okay. Now that I've got them grouped, I'm going to take my big numbers and I'm going to multiply them together. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. Okay. And remember, when we have like bases, and in this case they're both the same, that's why we group them. So we've got v and a v, and this is 5 plus that invisible 1. So we've got v to the 6th power. Okay, now we're going to look at our x's. I'm going to go ahead and write the x here. So x, we've got 9 plus 3, which is 12. And we're going to write it all together just like this, and we're going to put it into Alex. Now with this, as you're putting it into Alex, it's going to be very important that as you're going from exponent back down to the x, and kind of avoiding kind of putting it all as an exponent, is make sure after you put the v to the 6 in, you press your right arrow key on your keyboard. Okay, it's super important that you do that. So when you press the right arrow key over, it will drop your cursor down from the 6 down here to where you can actually put the x down where it belongs, and then put your next exponent. Okay,